The precision of it is everything for us. We're talking of like half a newton metre. We need it precise. You know, it's Formula 1 at the end of the day, you know, it's got to be on the money. The background for why we want to do our own power unit is so Red Bull became their own entity in its own right. Instead of relying on customer engines, we can build and design our own. You can react quicker.
Red Bull Ford Powertrains contacted us because they wanted to have the most competitive engine on the grid. They needed a tooling partner who understood the criticality of what they were trying to achieve.
I need traceability. Everything we do on an engine, we need to know who did it, when you did it, how you did it, and what you did it with. When we go racing, we want to make sure every fastener's had Atlas Copco touch it and record the data of it.
We use Atlas Copco extensively for all of the build procedures here. Every threaded fastener on our PU is done up with one of these tools. Every engine that we build must be built in the exact same way. If we don't have that, we lose traceability. When something goes wrong, it's much harder to know why it's gone wrong.
Look at Red Bull, of course, they use essentially our entire portfolio of product, right? And that includes the software products as well. They use our tools in some ways very similar to other things, of course, powertrain manufacturing. But since these powertrains are really the top of the game powertrain, low series and so on, there's also ways that they use our products which is not so common in general assembly, I would say.
Having good data extraction is probably the most important part for us. And obviously Atlas Copco's ToolsNet 8 database is massively important for that.
ToolsNet 8 is, maybe I'm biased, but I think this is a great product. An average tool, when you do tightening, it produces like about 100 to 100 different parameters from one single tightening. How deep you want to go with this data, it basically depends on your needs.
We're chasing minute incremental improvements across the power unit, so the higher resolution of data we get in, the more finessed our engine will be at the end of the development.
So what we offer in those instances is AC/DC Unify, where we give customers access to the data in a standardized format, regardless of what tool has generated the data. That would allow them to create their own solution that actually fits their needs perfectly. The more we get into machine learning, the more the integrity of data matters, right? This was an excellent opportunity for us to really check that we have that quality of data and that we have what is necessary to allow our customers to make better informed decisions in the future.
Going into this, I think we were very confident that we could provide a really good solution for Red Bull. I mean, we have over a century experience in tooling to have a really high-level, modern, smart manufacturing. But this has been a true partnership. We have also learned a lot of things from this collaboration.
It was win-win for all sides because we delivered the best quality to our customers, but our customers got the most from what we do here.
Atlas Copco are a very big company, and it's quite humbling actually to be able to say, oh yeah, we actually got them to do this. So yeah, I think it's a great relationship that we've got going on.
So not every manufacturer's looking to build a race-winning engine. They're focused on the high-end quality, low-volume approach. But the certainty of tightening performance is important for every industry. Many manufacturers may be just starting their smart factory journey. And actually what we've learned here at Red Bull has allowed us to evolve our products that can make those crucial process improvements for more general manufacturing.